Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 20, Bidding and Attribution. In this lesson, we will discuss bidding strategies in pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and how to attribute conversions and sales to your PPC campaigns. 1. Bidding strategies. Manual bidding. Set your bids manually for more control over your budget and bid amounts. Automated bidding. Use automated bidding strategies, such as target CPA, cost per acquisition, or target ROAS, return on ad spend, to let Google Ads automatically adjust your bids based on your goals. 2. Factors to consider when bidding. Campaign goals. Choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your campaign goals, whether it's maximizing clicks, conversions, or revenue. Budget. Consider your budget constraints when setting your bids. To ensure you are maximizing your return on investment, ROI. Competition. Monitor your competitors' bids and adjust your bids accordingly to remain competitive. 3. Attribution models. Last click attribution attributes conversions to the last click that led to the conversion. First click attribution attributes conversions to the first click that initiated the conversion path. Linear attribution distributes credit for the conversion equally across all clicks in the conversion path. Time decay attribution gives more credit to clicks that occurred closer to the conversion. Data-driven attribution uses data to determine the most effective attribution model for your campaigns based on actual user behavior. 4. How to attribute conversions. Use conversion tracking. Set up conversion tracking in Google Ads to track conversions and attribute them to your PPC campaigns. Use Google Analytics, link your Google Ads and Google Analytics accounts to track conversions and analyze the performance of your campaigns. 5. Adjusting your bidding strategy. Based on your attribution model and the performance of your campaigns, adjust your bidding strategy to maximize your ROI. Experiment with different bidding strategies and attribution models to find the best approach for your campaigns. 6. Monitoring and optimization. Regularly monitor your bidding performance and adjust your bids based on your goals and performance metrics. Use A/B testing to compare different bidding strategies and attribution models to see which ones perform best for your campaigns. By understanding bidding strategies and attribution models in PPC advertising, you can optimize your campaigns for better results and maximize your ROI.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.